We're coming from a slightly different perspective than most people. First of all, very glad to be on a dog-friendly course. That's very positive. Secondly, like I say, different perspective, but some really useful information in there, particularly for me, for dealing with people who are coming to us, particularly around that golden hour stuff, who haven't got any other support in place. So there's some really useful information and structures there, which I'll still need to go through a bit more, but to be able to provide a bit of that initial advice and that initial response to make sure we help people get it right very quickly. But really, really enjoyable course, and flew by 2.5 days.